Hey guys, and welcome back. So in today's video I have the Starbucks by Nespresso. These are the medium roast holiday blend. So today we got our Starbucks holiday blend. These are by the Nespresso line. This one is the medium roast holiday blend, limited edition. They do offer it in the blonde, the breakfast blend, Italian style, medium roast. They have the Colombiana and a dark roast, but I went with the holiday. These are 57 grams. You do get 10 in each box, and this set is for 5 boxes, so you get a total of 50 little cartridges. So this one is the Lungo 110 milliliters. That is what is suggested. So the intensity of this one is 7 to 9. So these are recyclable. I did purchase these for my portable espresso maker. So these works with basically anything with Nespresso original line machines, including Enenza Mini, Pixie, Cities, Expert, Latissima, KitchenAid. So they have a lot of those ones that are compatible with. If you like the medium roast, these ones are kind of strong. So if you like that extra kick in your espresso machine, I would highly recommend checking these ones out. These ones actually taste very delicious.